In this video, we're going to look at PollEverywhere.com and how you can use that to collect data from your class. First, go to PollEverywhere.com, and then you're going to want to log in. This is a free account. By logging in, it allows you to save your polls you can come back to later. To create a poll, you click the little red button in the top left corner that says Create a Poll, and it asks you for your question. So for this question, we're going to look at what state of matter is shaving cream. And we're going to make that a multiple choice question. You can make it an open-ended question where students will text in their free response. This is a multiple choice question. You can add clickable images if you want them to click on an image. So then you have to put in your answer choices for your multiple choice question. I'm going to put solid, and then in this box I want to put liquid. I want to add an answer, gas, and then I want to add all three. Now if you add an answer choice that you decide later on you want to remove, that's easy. You just click the little trash can out here to the right, and that will create your answer choices. You can add another poll here if you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and click create this poll. So here's our poll question, and there's a couple different ways students can respond to this. If they have a cell phone, tablet, iPod, something like that has an internet connection with some kind of a texting function, they can text their answers in to this poll. The way they would do that is they would text one of these codes to this number, 37607. So instead of a phone number, they would text to this number, and instead of the actual body of the text message, they would text one of these codes as their answer. So that's one way they can respond. Another way they can respond is by going to PollEv.com. So I'm going to open up a new tab and just show you PollEv.com, how that looks. This is where they would do their web response. So they just text one of these codes, whatever they choose as their response. So I'm going to choose 305244. So I would go to this and I would type in 305244. Let me double check that that's correct. That is, and I want to submit that response. So that response has been submitted. Let's look back at our poll. You see there it is. We've had one response. Now, if you wanted to embed this poll into maybe a presentation, or if you wanted to put it in Edmodo, you can go to Share and Publish. And by doing that, you have a couple different options. You can keep this page secret so that only the ones with the link can answer it, and there's your link. That was what you would paste. You can do embed if you had a web page that you wanted to put this in, or you can email this poll out, however you would like.